Hello guys, welcome back to a food travel dude video. I'm going to David Lloyd Leisure Centre today. I want to check out their restaurant. It's a beautiful day and I'm cycling along the canals to the leisure centre. I'm going to be going in there and checking out the lounge burger. So let's get involved and find out if it's my cup of tea. Oh yeah! Lounge on David Lloyd. I was going to go for a swim. It's 20 euros if you don't have a membership, so I'm not going to do that today. I don't think I'll be doing that at all for that price. Go to a different leisure centre where it's like 6 euros for a swim. This place is pretty cool. Lounge. Nice weather, so let's sit out here. Thank you. The lounge burger. Nice. Good presentation. What is that, like stone? Cool. Oh yeah. Double burger. Oh. Let's get involved. I like the look of this salad. It's got like nuts on it, salad sauce, the cucumber tomato. And you got your mayonnaise and your chips. The frites, as they call it in Dutch, and the double burger. Everything was $8.50. Maybe a little bit high priced, but I wonder how it tastes. So let's do the honours. Double decker burger. They call it the lounge burger. Looks like there's some kind of cheeses there. Let's just take a bite. Good. Oh yeah, nice cheese. Good burger. In the middle of that. Right. A little bit on the small side. One thing I don't like about it is the sauce actually. It's just like standard, pretty cheap sort of sauce. Yeah, it's a shame really. I wanted to go for a swim. But if you don't have a membership, it's 20 euros if you don't have a membership, so I'm not paying that for go swimming. I've clearly got some cool GoPro shots. Just swimming. I might go to another swimming pool, no actually. I got a water slide, that'd be pretty cool. So check out that in the future. That little wicked. Not a bad meal though. Nothing special though. These are like snack bar burgers. The meat's like not very high quality meat. Fills the hole though. I'll probably give this a nothing too high, I'd say I'd give it a 2.5 out of 5. Yeah. It's okay, but expensive. Hi. No, it's okay, thanks.
Okay. Did you like the meal?
Yeah, it was good, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, cheers. Okay, cheers then, bye-bye. Taste. Bye bye. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram if you don't already do so. I'll check you on another food review in the future.